Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with high-impact, fast moves. First, clean the true depth camera and wipe your face. Oil and fabric block the sensor. Once done, remove any case or screen film that might obscure the camera and restart the phone to clear temporary glitches. While it reboots, make sure iOS is current because updates often fix biometric bugs. These initial checks eliminate most simple failures and prepare the phone for the next, more technical reset steps. Now you'll remove the stored biometric data and rebuild it correctly. You should open Settings, choose Face ID and Passcode, and tap Reset Face ID to delete corrupted scans. Then immediately set up Face ID again, following the prompts with slow, varied head movements and good lighting so the true depth system captures a robust model. If that new enrollment still fails, reset all settings to eliminate configuration conflicts. This keeps your data and forces a clean biometric environment for Face ID to work reliably. Finish by ruling out hardware faults because software fixes can't help a damaged sensor. Inspect the front camera area for cracks, moisture residue, or misalignment. Press sensors won't work if the lens is compromised. If hardware looks intact but the issue remains, run diagnostics or contact Apple support and schedule a true depth inspection. They can confirm sensor failure and suggest repair. As a final tip, make sure you can use your passcode and enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.